In this video, I'm going to do acrylic nails. I'm going to shape the nails, manicure, pedicure, and nail art. But I'm not going to use actual products like I normally do. I'm going to use only the mobile app. Coming up. Hello, I'm Anastasia. Today I will be trying mobile nail games. Honestly, I'm not a fan of any kind of online games at all. I do not play them as much, but I like doing nails. So I just thought I will give it a try, and who knows, maybe I'll like it. So this first game has a really good rating. It is called Acrylic Nails. Obviously, I have a free version, so we will probably expect tons of advertising. They already fit the form for me. That's nice. And now I need to follow this infinity shaped. Ooh, man, that is satisfying actually, because every time I move, I can actually feel this slight vibration. And I like this golden color they gave me. So you see, acrylic, it's not curing too fast. It's just, oh man, it's just doing everything for you. If only doing nails was that easy. Pretty, oh, thank you. Okay, oh, it's cured so fast, and now we need to file the nail to shape, and this black part, I guess, show us like the goal, the shape that we need. Tap and hold. Ooh, so it's doing everything for me. I just need to hold. It feels pretty good. Like I said, it's vibrating each time this file is moving. Stencils, accessories, marble. Let's do marble, I guess. Let's pick a color. So, oh, we have like a golden nude background, so I guess we can choose any colors. All right, let's do purple. Ooh, we have a drop of purple there. Now let's do white. I wonder how many colors can you pick. Let's just pick as much as possible. Blue. Like in real life, I will definitely add white from time to time, because when it's white in between, it always looks great. And I like these circles, these marble circles, they are just so perfect. So what if we go a little crazy and we'll try some other colors, such as neon green. Okay, probably let's stop here. Okay, oh, okay, I get to blend it by myself. Oh, and you see it's like moving by itself. So, man, I can say I like it. I probably shouldn't have used a green. Oh, okay, that's enough. Fingers crossed, I hope. Well, okay, well, it actually looks like there was a white background, not really a nude one. And we have plenty of green. Probably the last color that you pick will be the one that you will see the most. Awesome, thank you. Let's continue. 50%, and I got $80. That's nice. I got 350 likes. That's super awesome as well. Okay, now let's play another one. Manicure and pedicure. Nail art fashion salon. Welcome to my fancy nail salon. Oh, thank you. Let's go and have some fun decorating your nails. Yes, let's do it, girl. I'd like this nail design. Please surprise me. I guess I'll go with the second one. I like surprises. Ooh, I am surprised. I'm definitely surprised with this kind of dirty feet. I mean, why is this dirt there? Okay, let's use the bath, I guess. Oh, okay, you get to choose skin color. How am I supposed to wash? Oh, okay. I guess I just had to double tap. Ooh, okay. Let's trim them, and oh, okay. You just take these clippers and just place them in front of the nail you want to clip, and it will just do this for you. Pretty simple. Even though I'm not doing pedicure, I have no idea how to do this, but. Okay, this thing, oh, I thought this one is for heels, but okay, it just shows these certain areas you need to work on. Oh, you just hold it, and I mean, visually nothing really happens. They're just, you know, some hearts flying out of there. Lotion. Ooh, okay, these 3 exact spots where we're supposed to apply a lotion. I never used this thing, but I know it's used for cuticles. I don't like this tool, but I guess let's do it. Oh, okay, that's easy. You just place it on the cuticles and it's gonna do everything for you. Honestly, I don't see any difference, but okay. I guess we did a good job. Let's proceed. All right. Ooh, I get to choose the color. Let's oh, I guess among these. Okay, let's pick this one. And let's, oh, I definitely want a big brush. And let's just, oh, that's easy. Okay, then I can do that. Now, yeah, looks awesome. Let's paint another one. You see, even when I'm trying to apply it on the skin, it doesn't let you. I wish it was like that in real life, right? Wish it was that easy. And to the next one. Once they give a close-up, all these toes, they look so similar. I mean, I could never tell the difference between a thumb. Well, maybe, yeah, pinky is a little bit smaller. All right, now let's cure in LED for 60 seconds. And these seconds are way faster than in real life, which is definitely nice. Well, yeah, we're in a game. Finished. Ooh, I like how they shine, you see? Now let's pick some decorations. Let's do the ring. Oh, okay, that's an actual ring. Okay, this, oh, nice. Okay, have you ever seen it in the salons that you can actually pick a ring? I mean, I used rings for photos, but like the actual ring on a toe, that's nice. Okay, let's do rhinestones. Oh, okay. I guess I'm just not worthy yet to get all these beautiful features and rhinestones, so I only get to use this ugly bows. Okay, let's do the white one. Place it right here on the thumb. What? Oh, I guess that's it. Okay, let's do another pink one. And oh, I mean blue one. Place it right here. What else? Can I use this stuff? The stamping. Okay, let's do the. I actually want to make it as a, you know, temporary tattoo. Okay, and ooh, the ankle bracelet. That's nice. All right, we got tons of jewelry. We do not have an opportunity to use much of the nail art, but that's all we have for now. All right, next one is manicure, and we have some dirty hands here again. Let's wash them. Girl, okay, I need to, okay, let's go with this skin color and wash it. Okay, I guess we have, oh no, we get to use nail file this time. And okay, the shape that I like, let's go with the, you see, I cannot pick stiletto or anything like that yet. Let's go with the, oh, I just picked the almond and it's already almond. I didn't even have to file it. Then why, how do I use this? Oh, you just pick the shape. Okay, gotcha. Okay, applying the lotion to only 3 spots on the entire hand. And then we get this scary cuticle destroyer that, like I said, I don't really think this model have any cuticles at all, but all right. Man, I don't understand what do they want me to do with this file. I mean, I picked the shape already. Okay, let's proceed. Ooh, nail polish. Okay, let's pick the black one. No, let's go with this one. And brush. All right. Ooh, just 2 strokes and that's it. Awesome. I wish it was always like that. This nail does not look any different from the thumb we just worked on. Do they? Yeah, I am pretty sure they're just using the same picture or whatever, you know, they do for building these games. But okay, you know, maybe there could be a challenge like how fast can you do this all? Oh, okay. No. cure in LED for 60 seconds. Finally, okay. Oh, once again, I only get to choose a ring. Okay, let's do this one with a big stone. I get to choose. What? These bows again? I don't really like them, but okay. Let's do this one. And okay, let's go with the black one. Yeah, that's kind of sad. That's everything I can choose. Bracelet. Okay, let's do the golden bracelet. No, I guess we're done. Okay, I have to say this second game, Manicure and Pedicure, was a bit more fun because there we had something like you get to do some prep first, then you do the soak in the bath, then you do the shaping, then you apply the color. So it kind of mimics the actual sequence that you need to do in the real life in the salon, and that's kind of cool because I immediately thought of some games that will imitate the actual sequence of the service that you need to perform, and that would be really cool in terms of education. But I'm doing classes, I'm a fan of education, that's why all my thoughts and ideas are always in that directions. Because normally games are designed to just kill time, to have some fun, right? But I did. I hope you guys did as well. So first one is more like ASMR. It doesn't really show the actual service, while the second one is a bit closer to that one. Let me know what do you think, and if you know any cool games I need to try, please share them in the comments. Do you guys play any games, and which one is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. Normally on this channel I post nail art tutorials, product reviews and educational videos, but sometimes we're just having fun. See you in my next video. Goodbye!